Hello everyone, this is a new series on Power BI. In this session, we will learn how to download and install Power BI. So Power BI is basically an business intelligence tool where we can create insightful dashboards, create reports, and share it with others as well. So before getting started, let's go through the download and installation procedure. So first, what we need to do, we need to just search for download Power BI and click on the first link by Microsoft Power BI. After clicking on the first link, the downloads page will open and download this Microsoft Power BI desktop. On clicking on download, it will try to open the Microsoft Store. Click on open and proceed with the installation procedure. Download, then it will install and click on open. On clicking it, Microsoft Power BI will open. As we can see, the Microsoft Power BI is opening in our desktop.